In today's fast-paced world, frozen foods are a staple in many households, especially for seniors. They offer convenience, reduce food waste, and provide access to fruits and vegetables year-round. However, not all frozen foods are created equal. For seniors, whose dietary needs and health conditions may require special attention, the wrong frozen foods can do more harm than good. In this guide, we'll explore 4 frozen foods seniors should avoid and 4 they should embrace as part of a balanced, health-boosting diet. Chapter 1. Why seniors rely on frozen foods. Frozen foods can be a godsend for older adults for several reasons. Convenience. Seniors often have reduced energy levels and may prefer quick, easy meals. Mobility issues. Limited mobility can make frequent trips to the grocery store difficult. Cost-effective. Frozen foods are often cheaper and last longer than fresh items. Minimized waste. Single servings mean less spoilage and fewer leftovers. Nutrient preservation. Properly, frozen fruits and vegetables retain most of their nutrients. Despite these advantages, it is crucial to know what to pick and what to avoid. Chapter 2. 4 frozen foods seniors should never eat. 1. Frozen TV dinners. These prepackaged meals are often the epitome of convenience. However, they are usually packed with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. Many contain over 1,000 milligrams of sodium per serving, half or more of the recommended daily limit. Health risks. High blood pressure. Increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Kidney strain. What to watch for. Sodium content over 600 milligrams. Long ingredient lists with chemical additives. Saturated and trans fats. 2. Frozen breakfast sandwiches and pastries. Marketed as a quick start to the day, frozen breakfast items often contain processed meats, cheeses, and refined carbohydrates. Health risks. Elevated cholesterol levels. Blood sugar spikes. Weight gain. Red flags. Processed meats, sausage, bacon. Artificial sweeteners and preservatives. High calorie to nutrient ratio. 3. Breaded and fried frozen meats or fish. Chicken tenders, fish sticks, and breaded shrimp may seem like easy protein options, but they are typically deep fried before freezing. Health risks. Increased LDL cholesterol. Digestive issues. Chronic inflammation. What to avoid. Breaded coatings. High fat content. Artificial flavor enhancers. 4. Frozen pizzas. While tasty and affordable, frozen pizzas are loaded with sodium, saturated fats, and refined flour crusts. Health risks. Hypertension. Weight gain. Nutritional deficiency. Ingredients to avoid. Processed meats like pepperoni or sausage. Hydrogenated oils. High sodium tomato sauces. Chapter 3. 4 frozen foods that boost senior health. 1. Frozen vegetables, no additives. Flash frozen at peak ripeness. These veggies retain their nutritional value and are a great way to get fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Health benefits. Supports digestion. Boosts immunity. Reduces inflammation. Best options. Broccoli, spinach, green beans, cauliflower. Pro tip. Avoid those with added butter or cream sauces. 2. Frozen berries and fruits, no sugar added. Excellent sources of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Frozen fruits are perfect for smoothies, cereals, or desserts. Health benefits. Improves heart health. Aids memory and cognition. Supports eye health. Top choices. Blueberries, raspberries, mango chunks, cherries. Label advice. Choose those labeled no added sugar. 3. Frozen whole grains. Pre-cooked frozen quinoa, brown rice, and barley offer complex carbohydrates and plant-based protein. Health benefits. Regulates blood sugar. Promotes fullness and weight control. Provides long-lasting energy. Meal ideas. Grain bowls. Stir fries. Side dishes. 4. Frozen fish fillets, unbreaded. Fish like salmon, cod, and haddock are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein. Health benefits. Enhances brain function. Reduces joint pain and stiffness. Improves cardiovascular health. Shopping tips. Choose wild-caught when possible. Avoid sauces and coatings. Look for vacuum-sealed packs. Chapter 4. Reading labels like a pro. Understanding labels is key to making smart frozen food choices. Look for sodium less than 600 milligrams. Saturated fat, 3G. No trans fats. Short, Understandable ingredient lists. Avoid sodium greater than 800 milligrams, artificial flavors and colors, hydrogenated oils, high fructose corn syrup. 5. Building a balanced freezer. Stocking your freezer with health-supporting items ensures you always have nutritious meals and snacks available. Staple list. Assorted frozen veggies, frozen fruits, pre-cooked grains, lean meats and fish, healthy meal starters like veggie burgers or soups. Avoid frozen desserts, ice cream novelties, battered appetizers, sugary breakfast items. 6. Sample meal plans using healthy frozen foods. Day 1. Breakfast. Oatmeal with frozen blueberries and a spoon of almond butter. Lunch. Quinoa bowl with spinach, cherry tomatoes, and grilled frozen salmon. Dinner. Stir-fried frozen broccoli and carrots with tofu. Snack. Frozen mango chunks with Greek yogurt. Day 2. Breakfast. Whole grain frozen waffle with peanut butter and sliced banana. Lunch. Brown rice and vegetable soup. Dinner. Baked cod with green beans and brown rice. Snack. Smoothie with frozen berries, kale, and flaxseed. 7. Final thoughts and long-term tips. Frozen foods, when chosen wisely, can be a cornerstone of senior nutrition. By avoiding highly processed, high-sodium items and embracing nutrient-rich alternatives, older adults can enjoy convenience without compromising health. Prioritize whole, minimally processed frozen foods. Limit frozen meals with additives, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Make frozen fruits, vegetables, and grains part of daily meals. Eating well in your senior years doesn't require gourmet cooking, just a smartly stocked freezer and a little planning. Stay informed, eat smart, age well.